him up. Peace, nigga. Let's go. Yeah. She called my house. I wonder what she wanted. I can't come in. Your mom don't want me to come in. So I can go home now. What you want, Eric?
His hair is like mine now.
That vanilla ice.
Eric.
What?
I'm filming porno.
Eric.
Filming baby porno.
Where's your bag of trash?
It's still in there.
You're actually cleaning your room? Huh?
Go! Damn it! I said go!
What?
Trying
Make my hell.
to
Dream. Made up.
You ain't going nowhere.
You like my hair, Mark? You like my hair?
It's exactly like mine.
No.
Except I ain't got my bangs down and I ain't got no gel. I mean, you don't have your bangs down and I do, and I ain't got
Get out of here. Nasty little boy.
Is this hot shit fun? No.
Get in there.
No. One, two. One,
Who
two.
cares?
I don't get on this silly fun.
It's dark.
No, no, silly girl, nothing. Go, go, go.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Can you get off me, kid?
Get off.
Sam!
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Oh! 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 Get in there, motherfucker! What, Eric?
Hey,
Get off me!
yes, I did it. The moth. Moth.
Let me see.
No.
Videotape you now. Your ugly self. Totally weird, man. Really mean it. You gonna say something, Eric? You stink.
Get in the house. You stink. Oh. God, Sam!
Buddy,
Fuck up the house. No way.
this is a stinky kid. You tape in soon. I'll tape in soon, Eric.
How
I'll
many?
record it on my notes.
Huh?
I said I'm going to record it on there too.
My battery and the tape.
You stink.
Hey!
Get off.
How do you do that?